Well, hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. As you know, Apple Month is coming to a close, and today is going to be the final recipe for Apple Month. I am a huge fan of apple cider, and one of my favorite ciders is this one, Dee's Wicked Cider Company Baked Apple. To me, it tastes just like an apple pie. And you know what I'm going to do with this cider? I'm going to turn it into a pie and see if it tastes like an apple pie. You know, there's these unusual pies out there, like a water pie and a Sprite pie, where it takes a liquid and it turns it into a pie. You could utilize any liquid and turn it into a pie. Any. Champagne pie. You could even make a ketchup pie. You could do anything that's liquid-like and turn it. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. Follow me! I'm going to start by grating a stick of butter. We need to start with 1 cup of sugar. We're going to mix that with 1/4 cup of flour. I'm going to start by pouring my apple cider into the pie shell. Wow, look at that liquid flow. I'll be following that by sprinkling on that sugar-flour mixture over the whole thing. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then comes that shredded butter evenly on top. I'm going to bake this in a 400-degree oven with a pie ring on top for 30 minutes. I'm really excited about this pie. I just removed the pie ring, turned the temperature down to 375, and now I'm baking it for another 30 minutes. It's now out of the oven, and I need to let it cool completely and then refrigerate it until it's cold and custard-like. It is all complete, and it looks pretty darn good. It actually looks like an apple pie. You can see little bits of what looks like apple, but I think it's just the formed crust that made it turn into what's like an apple pie. I put some apples on top and a little cinnamon ice cream. I'm ready to see what apple cider pie tastes like. Let's find out. It tastes exactly like apple. There's no doubt about it, I didn't put any apples in this pie, just the apple cider, and it tastes exactly like an apple pie. Exactly. Who knew I could take a can of a drink and turn it into a gorgeous tasting pie? I am impressed, and I'm so happy this is my final apple dish because this apple dish is a winner, and you would enjoy it too. Thanks for watching me here at Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. As always, it's a pleasure. You are the apple of my eye. Thank you! Who is an apple's favorite relative? Granny Smith!